Today in this video, we'll be talking about the 4 types of call forwardings and the secret codes to activate them. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. So there are 4 types of call forwardings, which are call forwarding when busy, call forwarding when unreachable, call forwarding when not answered, and all call forwardings. So in order to activate them, you have to go to your phone dialer. After that, you have to dial over here. For the first call forwarding, which is when busy, you have to dial for star #67 and hash. And by doing that, you have to simply call. And by doing that, your call forwarding will be activated. And the next call forwarding is call forwarding when unreachable. So in order to activate them, you have to simply dial on star #62 and hash, and by dialing on it, the call forwarding will be activated. And the third call forwarding is call forwarding when not answered. So in order to activate it, you have to simply type the **61* and your phone number. But before entering your phone number, make sure to enter your country code also. After entering your phone number, you have to continue with *11 and hash, and by doing that, you have to dial and your call forwarding with not answered will be activated. After that, the last one is all call forwarding. So in order to activate it, you have to dial *21* and your mobile number with your country code. After that, you have to simply tap hash, and from here you have to dial, and by doing that, your all call forwarding will be activated and you'll be able to use the feature. So these are the 4 types of call forwarding. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.